We'll guide you through how to download Google Chrome on Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Google Chrome is one of my favorite internet browsers. There are many reasons for this, but one of them being is that we can go and sync it across multiple different computers with a Google account. So your search history, your bookmarks will all be in one place, which I find really convenient. To go and get started with this, we need to go and open up a web browser we currently have on our computer. A default one is going to be Microsoft Edge, so we can click on search and type in Edge like so, and here it is. And so then what we can do is we can go and search for Google Chrome like so, and you can come to the official Google site, which is google.com, then press download Chrome. The download is going to begin. Then what you can do is come into your file explorer and come to your downloads. Open up and press downloads to the left, and you can double click on the Chrome setup file. Now it's going to go and start downloading Chrome. All you need to do is go and wait, it'll go and complete, and shortly it will go and automatically install as well. When it's finished, it will go and open up. Now I've had Chrome on this computer before, so I've added accounts. Otherwise, you can go and sign in to your Google account. In this case, I'll select this account here, and that's it. I'll then have my different bookmarks, my history, my passwords in Chrome. And what we could then do is go and right click on it in my taskbar, and I can go and pin it as well.